Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad ke sangma ka arphunu tarik urumphang arjar pesan ulaong baka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Ustm ka khlemla Thok kat kum Jingkynnoh Menteri Rangba Kajala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma habakran shakila pathai khobor Conrad ulaong baka University ka le kat kum ki an ki kendon ba Jingkynnoh jingbet kumta omdon jing artatin ka Ustm ka khlemla Thok Menteri Rangba ule thu baka jing ai degree ka dei ka bashisha ka bashu ai Thok kumbala keno Himanta Conrad ulaong baka Ustm kala ai degree da ki babun tadi kisnam bat kade ke university ka ba ajiman toy bahai ki samla jong kajala bat ki ngok menru bandan kum kene ke university hapo kajala habakali Halor ke Jingkynnoh menteri Rangba ka Assam baka Ustm ka shu astronaut Thok bat ki we ke Jingkynnoh Conrad ula Kyntait ban jubab da ka baong ba Himanta hi uhab ban jubab ya kata.
No, we have not tied up with the US team. US team has started. They have got the necessary approvals. So whatever the approvals and whatever the permissions that are required, they have followed all procedure. So whatever is being done by the US team is totally legitimate in terms of the work that is happening. So there is no doubt about that. So we're very clear on this point.
Regarding the overall criticism against the USTM,
That you have to ask Assam CM. So that is something.
Universities in Meghalaya.
So that's why I'm clarifying on behalf of Meghalaya government and USTM, saying that all the permissions, all the necessary documentation, everything is in order. There is nothing that is wrong. I'm clarifying that again to you. But regarding comments made by my counterpart, that is something that he will have to answer. I cannot answer on his behalf on what basis or why he's saying that. That's what I'm saying.
So degrees are genuine?
Absolutely. They've been giving these degrees for many, many years. I mean, I don't think you need to ask me also about it. If you go and find out from different individuals and officials and also students who have studied there, they will tell you that USTM has one of the best infrastructures, the best environment, the best staff and manpower, and they are contributing greatly to the youth of our state. And as I said, we are very happy that a university like this is there in Meghalaya state. And of course, they may be having some challenges right now with the overall permissions that they had required earlier. But we are happy that now things are moving forward. So there is no issue at all.
But so, like, Assam CM is continuously targeting this particular university. Do you see any vendetta behind this, political or religious?
You will have to talk to him. So I'm not making the comment, so it's not my position to comment on somebody else's comment. I can tell you about the genuinity of the degrees, which what Jose has asked. So I have given my reply to that.